Rosie's working on her house special wonton soup. We got her bok choy, her mushrooms. She's already got her wonton chips right there. And she's got her stuffed wontons right there. Unfortunately, we don't make them, but one day we will. Because I know how. So let her get everything together and we'll pick it back up. Get some of her chopping action right there, working on the garlic. She's already got the mushrooms cut. I think they were pre-cut. Some of the bok choy is already cut. I think she's going to cut the rest of that up. And we'll pick it back up. Additional condiments we had to go grab from the garden really quick. She's working on her house special wonton soup. Getting her faux flavoring in there. Some ginger, garlic. Along with pre-cut garlic. Get it nice and stirred up. Alright, we're going to get all that boiled up for about 20 minutes. Let it get nice and flavorful. And then we'll pick it back up. Okay, she's just added in her wontons. We're going to let those cook for about 10 minutes. Alright, 10 minutes are up and it's time to add the mushrooms and the bok choy. And give that
about
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here we go. It's time to add the final condiment, which is that's the sesame seed oil.
Toasted.
Soy sauce. And the green onion. And I think we're ready to go now.
That's it.
Of course, I like to doctor mine up with a little pepper and a lot of greens. But it's all good.